Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about PM360 as harvest comes to a close, and I know there's lots of guys that are still harvesting and things that'll be getting harvested for at least another month and a half, but we've got some guys that are finishing up as far as their second cut of Timothy or their third cut of alfalfa. All of the grain for the most part has been swathed. So just a reminder, as you're finishing up some of those tasks, and even if you've still got stuff to do, get a piece of paper, or if you like to make lists on your phone, and start making a list of things that you know are wrong with your machine. If you're done already and you want to have your machine checked over, give Michael or Nolan a call, because this is normally an up and down time of the year. So a lot of times for the next 2 or 3 weeks to a month, they can kind of accommodate it, pick up your machine, run it through the shop and get it back to you, that it can go into the shed before winter even hits. So if you've got some stuff that needs to be checked over and you're finished, give them a shout. Otherwise, make those lists, whether you're having us do the stuff or not. It just comes in so handy that when you actually go to fix it, you pull out that list and it jogs your memory, and you've got something to go by, and you don't run into the same problems that you had this year when you start next year. So just make sure that you do that. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.